Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version on Ubuntu 24. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.7 LTS version. Select it, then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux, then select OS version. I am on Ubuntu 24.04. So select it. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages. So we have to download these packages, but instead of downloading, just to download this deb bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 488 megabytes. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version. Okay. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.7 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to execute them to install MySQL Server 8.4.7. Control A. Before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap -ipadec -utf-8 libaio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type for confirmation. Hit enter. Control A. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg control -i *deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL Server 8.4.7. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter, confirm the same. Hit enter. See, this test packages failed, but we have successfully installed MySQL Server and MySQL client. Okay, Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Quit. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root is the username -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.4.7. We can also verify the version by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL Server installation. Let us create database. Create database. Then provide the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now connect to this database and create a table. To connect, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. See, database changed. Now verify tables in this database. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created table in database bank and the table name is customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control L. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL Server installation. So create user, create. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Okay. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server with this new user. Exit mysql-u. New username is David-p. Then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See here. Okay. So provide the password of this David user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank because you have created user but you haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. So exit. Until now, we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL Server by using MySQL Workbench or DB. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL Server 8.4.7 on Ubuntu operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is stopped 6 seconds ago. Quit to quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. See, you are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is stopped 4 seconds ago. Quit to quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is restarted 2 seconds ago. Control it. We have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.4.7. Okay. ls, these files are not required anymore. So remove them. rm start.dep. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. ls, remove this one also. rm MySQL, then press the tab. Hit enter. Okay. You can also verify MySQL client version by running. See, 8.4.7. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more MySQL or Ubuntu tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.